Hey guys, this is Always DIY 365, and this is just a short video of something I created here, and it might help you out in like your wood shop or your mechanic shop or your DIY garage. Just something that you'd use to pick up like your tools or metal shavings or screws and things like that. So I came up with this idea because I didn't have one of those rolling magnetic I guess parts, picker-upper tools. So I created something here that worked out for me. So before I go ahead and give you details of how I created this, it's really simple and very quick. Please, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and please subscribe. That would really mean a lot to us. And of course, comment. We'd love to hear from you. Okay? Now, what I'm using it for today is I'm in the process of making a dog pen for Faith, and it's an outdoor dog pen. And I did a lot of metal shavings with the grinder, well, cutting tool, um, which is used for these. I'm not sure if you can see, it's kind of dark here. There's mesh that I'm putting on these wooden 2x4s to make the pen. So, there's like little nubs that I hate for Faith to go ahead and try to lick up and hurt herself. So I had to think of something to go ahead and pick it all up. So I thought of this, and I thought I'd show you guys. So I'll show you a video of this play dog pen when it's all finished, because it's kind of like a trial and error trying to put together and figure out how to make it work. So I can't really take a video. It's gonna be a long video to show you how I made it. So I'll show it to you when this after it's done and show you how I put it together and so on. So look out for this video, okay? And now back to this. This is what I'm talking about. What it consists of is just a long rope. Doesn't matter what kind of rope you use, just make it long enough so that you could, you don't have to bend over to use it. And the bottom part is actually a Harbor Freight magnetic bar that you would put, like you'd screw it to a workbench or work table, and wherever, whatever you want to use it for. It has like two little holes on the ends here, right there, right there. I just put a knot at the ends of the rope, and just a magnetic bar. And this is what I did for. This is how I used it. I'll show you here. Now, what I used it for was the shavings, like I said, but I already picked them all up and put them in a box, so to throw it away. But I'm going to show you here. I'm going to use it on these nails. I just threw some nails randomly on the floor, and you can see what I'm doing. See, and I'm kind of just holding it. See my hand right here, and just holding it. You can let it drag on the floor or what have you. Okay, so I'm just going to go here. So I can pick this up and do it in one hand. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but so see that? Pick them all up. Let me see if I can put in the sunlight better. Sorry if the video footage is not very clear, but yeah, see? It's all cleaned up. It's all good. There's no more nails on the ground. They're all on this. See, and I don't have to really squat down or pick them up by hand, and so I just use this. See? Just raise up and down. See my hand? So just use it. What I did on the shavings, I actually just let it drag on the floor because they're really low, really small. And if you see these little, it's like chicken wire stuff. Yeah, it's really fine. So I just dragged on the floor and I picked them all up. So that's really good. So, see? Worked out fine. And now I'll just see if I can flip it over so you can kind of see better. I'm not sure if you'll see it very well, but there it is. See? Works out great. Then you just go, of course, I would use a glove, rubber glove or whatever you want to, just to pick it all back up. Take it off the magnetic bar and throw it away. Okay, guys? So, just a little tip. Something that you might have one of these at home. And you can get these cheap. I know Harbor Freight, sometimes they have them on special. And you pick them up for a couple bucks. I know those little rolling magnetic tools, I'm not sure what you call them. They're pretty pricey. So, hey, anywhere you can save some money. and hey, make it into a DIY, save money, very functional. Hey, it works for me, it works for us, for my family. So hopefully it works for yours. So again, if you like this video, please give it a like, share it if you like, and please subscribe. That would mean a world to us. And please comment. We would love to hear from you. And take care. Until next time. Bye.